Hi, welcome back to Southern Strange, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble Strike from Home Depot. I already have him unboxed and laid out. I don't know if you can see. So I've got him laid out the way he's supposed to be. And I'm going to try to set it right here. Or maybe right here. I don't have my helper today, so I don't have a cameraman. But I did want to video putting him together. So he does have a right and left foot. It's B for his right foot. I'm just going to slide it down over the pole like so, and C for his left foot. And do the same thing. Just slide it over the pole. And his left leg is E. And these are hard plastic. So I thought he was vinyl, but only his head's vinyl. And then his right leg. And I'm going to set that right there because his right leg is D. Okay, so you're supposed to, it comes with 2 screws and an Allen wrench that you put right back here in his ankles. Okay. His torso is going to go on. So hopefully you can see. Oh yeah, here we are. But you can't see how it just snaps on his legs. So let's see if we can tilt this down a little bit so you can see how it tilts on his legs. I wish I had my cameraman, but I do not. There we go. Now, this one. He just kind of pops on. And you can hear it snap into place. And then you want to do that on the same side, on the other side. And there you go. Now, here he is. There's his feet. They're nice and sturdy. And there's his torso. We're going to raise the camera up again. And now, he needs some ears. Or does he need his arms? Let me look right quick. Oh, okay, now we need his arms. Now, if you look at his arm, there is a screw inside of there that you have to tighten. But you have to be extremely careful or you will snap this piece of plastic. So you do not want to over tighten, and you use the same wrench. Okay, I'm going to try to get down here where you can see what I'm doing. I'll bring him around. You want to line him up in the groove. All right. few turns, and that's it. Just be very easy with it. You just don't want it falling off. Trust me though, if you screw it too much, you're going to snap that piece of plastic. So, I'm just going to tighten just a little bit. I'm very nervous now. Ah, that feels pretty secure. And we're going to turn them around. And you got the same thing with the other arm. There's your screw. You might can't see it, but there is a screw in there. And you want to line him up. And you want to tighten, just hand tight. Again, do not over tighten. You will break that piece of plastic. I spent all morning running around trying to get another one because I broke the plastic on mine. So, yeah, that's all right. That feels pretty good. Again, I want to break the plastic. Now that we have that, the only thing left is his ears. And they just pop on. So we will just pop on his and there it is. How cute is he? And we're going to pop on this side. That's all his controls and everything. This is his speaker. Now I'm going to plug in his adapter, which goes right here. Oh. He's going to have to share the spotlight with Wednesday for just a minute. Undrop thing. Okay. Now, and you can adjust his arms however you want them, up or down. His sensor's right there in his stomach. But how cool is he? Even without his hair being styled, he's cool. And the great thing about him, he's going to work like all the way through Christmas. Just throw a Santa hat on his head and he's good to go. So that's what's so great about him. That's what made me decide to actually go and get him. So you can have him 4 months out of the year. Okay, Wednesday. He's bumping into Wednesday. But you can have him for 4 months out of the year and he totally fit the scene. that's what made me decide to get him, because I can use him for so long. He's going to look great under the tree. He's going to be great as a Halloween display, and he can just be like a staple, you know, in the house for almost half a year, honestly. So I think that's a pretty good investment. Like I say, you can move his arms any position you want, and his body's hard plastic. His head is like a vinyl. His ears are hard plastic. He does have a vinyl head, and that's it. And his eyes light up. So yeah, he's really awesome. And I was on the fence about getting him. I'm glad I went ahead and got him now that I got him, because he's really nice, actually. So I hope you enjoyed the video and how to assemble him. Like I say, be careful with them arms. You can easily snap that piece of plastic and be going back to the store. That's what I did this morning. So this is my second stripe that I got today, because I broke the first one just simply tightening the screw too much. So you want to be careful about that. But yeah, I love him.